Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to log in to your Walmart employee account online. For that, open your preferred browser and on the search bar type in one.walmart.com. This will lead you to the homepage of the Walmart online, and then at the top right corner you can see the option of log in. Tap on it. After that, you'll be redirected to Walmart's login page where you'll be asked to enter user ID, your country or region, and your location. In the first box, you'll be entering your user ID. In the second drop down, you will be selecting your country. And in the location, which is another drop down, you'll be selecting your location. After that, you simply press on sign in, then you'll be logged into your Walmart employee account where you'll be able to access information of your employee account. I hope this helps, and don't forget to support the channel by hitting the like, commenting down below if you have any queries, and thanks for watching.